Hey there, ambitious go getter. Are you ready to take the leap? To spread your wings and soar to new heights? Great, you have landed at the right spot. We are here to shed some light on how to market yourself like a pro. Whether you are a freelancer, a job seeker, or just looking to showcase your talents, these tips will help you stand out from the crowd. We have got just the thing to help you reach your goals. You will learn some tips and tricks on how to find potential clients and how to create a successful marketing strategy. So let's get started. Your target market is the group of people who are most likely to buy your product or service. They have a need for what you are offering and are selling to pay for it. So how do you identify your target market? Start by asking yourself a few questions. Who needs your product or service? What problem does it solve? Who is currently buying similar products or services? Who has the money to pay for what you are offering? Who is most likely to be enticed by your offering of products or services? Who would benefit from it the most? Are you selling a high end luxury item or a budget friendly option? Is it something that appeals to a specific age group or demographic? Marketing plan. This is where you should get to roll up your sleeves and let your creativity run wild. Let's take a look at your product or service. What sets you apart from the competition? What are the benefits of using your product or service? How do you make sure your target audience knows that you are the best in the industry? Make sure you are highlighting these unique selling points in your marketing material. To grab the attention of your target audience, create a compelling pitch that will leave your audience wanting more. The beginning of your pitch is the most important part as it sets the tone for the rest of your presentation. Use a hook that will grab your audience attention. Each audience will have different needs and interests, so tailor your pitch accordingly. Research their background and interests so you can frame your pitch in a way that resonates with them. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or ready to take your professional game to the next level, creating a personal brand is a powerful way to creating a strong reputation and establishing yourself as a thought leader in your field. It's all about showcasing your unique strengths and skills to the world. Social media platforms have become the go to marketing tools for anyone who wants to market themselves or the brand. Choose the right platform for your needs. Are you a visual artist or photographer? Instagram would be the perfect fit for you. Are you a writer or a blogger? Twitter or LinkedIn might be more up your alley. No matter what your niche is, there are social media platforms that can appease your every whim and fancy. If you are looking to market yourself effectively, investing in a well designed website is a must. Take your career to the next level, highlight your expertise to prospective clients. It's time to create a professional website that highlights your accomplishments, experience, and talents. So you are ready to market yourself. Good decision. Whether you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or just looking to boost your personal brand, email campaigns can be a powerful tool to connect with your audience and drive conversions. You need to have a clear goal in your mind. What do you want your email to achieve? Is it to drive traffic to your website or social media pages? Do you want to promote a new product or service? Or maybe you simply want to stay top of mind with your audience. If you are a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or have any other marketable skill, there are countless platforms available that connect with clients in need of your services. These platforms allow you to create a profile highlighting your skills and experience and then apply for job postings that match your interests and abilities. Do you feel like your skills and qualifications are going unnoticed in the vast sea of job seekers? It's time to take matters into your own hands and create a network of industry professionals to sell your skills. Identify the industries and companies you are interested in working for. Research the top players in those industries and start connecting with professionals who work there. LinkedIn is a great tool for this. Search for people who work in your desired field and send them a personalized message introducing yourself and expressing your interest in their work. Marketing yourself as a skilled professional is essential to finding potential clients and building a successful career. Remember to stay consistent in your branding and messaging. Always be open to learning and evolving as you navigate the ever changing job market. With persistence and dedication, you can establish yourself as a sought after expert in your field and achieve your career goals. Hope it has filled your heart with inspiration and your soul with motivation to pursue your dreams and achieve greatness. Keep your fire ignited.